Hey guys, what's happening? How to recover deleted TikTok videos in 2025. So go ahead and open up TikTok. Okay. And then what you gotta do, you gotta just go ahead and click your profile icon at the bottom right. Okay. Now what you gotta do, click the three bars at the top right. And then go ahead to the settings and privacy. Scroll a little bit down to find report a problem. And then you're gonna go ahead to find the creation, click it, and you're gonna see video shooting, edited videos, duet and stitch, and go ahead and click others. And then go ahead and click other too. Okay? And then click need more help. Okay? And basically explain the problem, right? That you please, I need to recover my video, okay, or my deleted video, and then hit send, and then you're gonna be able to reach out to the TikTok help desk, and they will walk you through how to fix that problem. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.